Welcome friends to SPN Consultancy. I'm thankful to everybody, those who have liked, shared and subscribed my channel. Thank you to everybody. Thanks a lot. So today we will be taking the topic on the nakshatras. Means how many types of nakshatras are there and what are they? So this will be our topic. Before that, anybody new to my channel, to like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that you will be notified of my latest videos. So let's begin our today's journey. As there are total number of 27 nakshatras, and including 27, one more nakshatra is there, that is called Abhijit nakshatra, but that is not included right now in the nakshatras. In some cases, Abhijit nakshatras is also used, but mostly we don't take Abhijit nakshatra. So today, the 27 nakshatras are, for that I will be using my whiteboard so that it will be clear to everybody. And if anybody wants to take the screenshot of that, they can take it for their future use. So let me give you. So the first nakshatra is Ashwini nakshatra. Ashwini. Second is Bharani. Third, Kritika. Fourth, Rohini. Fifth, Mrigashira. Sixth, Ardra. Seventh, Punarvashu. Eighth, Pushya. Ninth, Ashlesha. 10th, Magha. 11th, Purv Falguni. 12th, Purvashada. 13th, Hasta. 14th, Chitra. 15th, Swati. 16th, Visakha, 17th. Anuradha, 18th. Jyestha, here it is 9 nakshatras and here 9, so total 18 nakshatra is over. Then the next one after 18th, next nakshatra is 19. 19th is Mula, 20 Uttara Falguni, 21 Uttara Sada, 22 Sharvana, 23, 23rd will be Dhanishta, Dhanishta, 24 will be Satavisa, 25th will be after Satavisa, 25th will be Purva Bhadrapada, 26 Uttara Bhadrapada, 27 will be Uttara Bhadrapada, Revati, Revati. So these are total 27 nakshatras. I have given in detail, mentioned it over here. If anybody wants to take the screenshot, they can take it, so that I will rub it and we will going to the next topic. It's related to nakshatras only. So shall I rub it? Okay. I hope everybody has noted down the names of all the nakshatras. So what are the uses of nakshatras? We will be we will look now. So the planets used to give the results of the nakshatras. First they will be giving the results of the nakshatras. Suppose this is planet A. So it will give the result of its nakshatras. Nakshatras. Suppose the nakshatra is B, and this is the source. This is the result, and the third one is this sublord. Equal to C. Sublord will be the final decider. Final decider, I mean to say that the planet A will give the result through its nakshatra, that is B, and the event which is going to take place, whether that will be fruitful or not, or whether that event will be good or bad, that will be shown by the sublord. So sublord here is very important. Sublord plays the major role. Through sublord we can understand whether the event will be fulfilled or not, or I mean to say that event will be good or bad one. So nakshatras is important, sublord is important, and planet is also important. But main thing is nakshatras. Through nakshatras only we can find out what will be the result, and the final decider will be sublord. So I hope my video will be informative to everybody. I think you got some knowledge on nakshatras, the types of nakshatras, and how it is used, and how the sublord plays the major role in according to the event, that whether the event will be good one or bad one, that role is played by the sublord. So thank you to everybody. Thanks a lot. Jai Shri Ram.